Patrick, hi. Are you playing your piano? Oh, what a lovely concerto. That's so good. Good job. All your chords are so in tune. I wonder why. Whoop, what are you doing? You're doing such a good job sitting up too. Wow. Let's move it over here. Can you come over here? Can you come over this side? Good job. Hey, buddy. Patrick. Hi.
We certainly did. I think it was you in the pregame who said
All right. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.